Hey, what's up everybody, it's PG Arms and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to have a tutorial on how can we withdraw money from MyFishcoins.com. Okay, so pag nakapasok na kayo sa MyFishcoins website, click natin itong withdraw button. After you enter the withdraw tab, you can see here the withdraw funds, history, and the maximum withdrawal. Always remember guys na ang main balance lamang ang withdrawable. Then, click natin itong nasa baba. So, may makikita kayo ditong GCash, YouTube Super Chat, and Perfect Money. So, kung meron kayong GCash account, pwede dito nyo siya withdrawin. And YouTube Super Chat kung meron naman kayong YouTube channel na monetize na. And lastly, the Perfect Money kung meron naman kayong Perfect Money account. So, dito I choose via GCash. GCash number must match the one used for deposit. Okay, make sure that your GCash number here is correct. At pwede rin nyo naman siyang baguhin basta kapag magre-deposit kayo kung ano yung pinang-withdraw ninyo, yun din yung inyong ipapang-deposit. So, i-type lang natin dito yung amount kung magkano yung gusto nating withdrawin. So, ang aking pwedeng withdrawin ay $15. Okay. So, pag na-type na natin dito yung amount, pwede na nating i-click itong withdraw button. And that's it. Let us just wait until we receive the money kasi darating naman siya within 24 hours. So now I will show you my withdraw transactions in the past few weeks.